Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and thank you all for clicking on today's video. So in today's video was basically on the to-do list before I start talking is to decorate the dining room for fall, and I'm going to give you guys a update on the back patio. But yeah, if you guys seen like the garage sale video, someone came out to give us a quote for a slab of concrete so we can put like the table, the chairs, the fire pit on the concrete, get rid of some of the grass. So we went ahead and we did that. I did get clips from start to finish, so I'm gonna insert those here, and then we'll get back to the video and decorating the dining room. So originally we discussed like a 15 by 15, but like here is the 15 and this is 13, and I wanted it to line up with the grill, like, because we're gonna add pavers to walk this way. Like that section is still will be 15 by 15, so like you come over here this way, this way, this way, this way, right here, right here. This whole section will be cement. Alright, here's what we got so far. Backyard look a little crazy. It's a little windy. Yep. This is where they at so far. I think they're on break.
For the cure.
For the cure. Okay.
Water like every other day or every day.
Every day, once a day, once. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yo, I don't know what's going on out there. The backyard look a hot, raggedy mess. Alright guys, let me show you the back patio and what got done. Alright, so here is what we got done. It's a 15 by 13. It was gonna be, yeah, like I said in the video, 15 like here, but I feel like that would have been too far. But I should have just got it done now that I'm like looking at it. But yeah, table a little dirty, you know. We had this table set for forever, since King was one. That's the bag to the pool that's right there, the other pool, because I did not record for Labor Day. I'm so sorry guys. And then that's the fire pit, so, and all the different 1,000 offs. So that's pretty much the backyard and the patio, how it looks. And we're gonna get pavers, because that's why I had them stop right here, because the pavers are gonna go, which we do have some of those red ones, they're gonna go all the way over. Like whoever did the house, like they just put them right here. And again, like I said, we got more of them, so it'll go all the way over, and then you could just walk to the patio. But yeah, I like it. It's a vibe. I come out here more now that I don't have to sit in the grass, but it's still mosquitoes out here, so it's a bit of annoying. I'm not an outdoor person, but yeah, still need deck furniture. That's another day, maybe next year. I ain't even think about that right now. But yeah, that's pretty much everything out here. Okay, here is how it looks now. I took everything off the table and cleaned the table, but I gotta clean it again because Colin touched it. But I'm gonna do something on here and touch up that paint. We're not gonna go into another fall season with the scratch on the wall. I gotta wipe this off, and we're gonna get rid of these flowers, probably put some fall flowers or something there, some pumpkins. Let me come over here, the light is a little shady. I don't know if they're staying. I think I'm gonna keep this. Yeah, so yeah, let's figure out what we're about to do.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my
right, this is what I got so far, guys. I'm still undecided if I should leave the silverware like this with the napkin and put it inside of, you know, the napkin like this, leave it in here, because I don't have the fancy silverware my Instagram friend sent me. I gotta order those like later. They're a little pricey, but I can do it like that, or I can use these pumpkin napkin rings like this and just do no silverware, or put the silverware on the sides. What do y'all think? Like, can y'all leave a comment and let me know, because I really don't know. I think this looked better, but should I put the silverware or not? I'm just not sure. I'm so undecided. I don't know.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat, like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California.
Alright guys, I am in my bathroom upstairs. It is late. I'm not really satisfied with how the flowers on the bar look, but I don't know if I like the vase that I spray painted silver. It's giving more so gray, not metallic, but I put it in a metallic vase and I don't like that you can see the stems. I'll get it together. I'll figure it out another day. I'm over it for today. I am satisfied with how the dining room came out overall. I still don't know if I should put the napkins in the napkin ring, or should I put the forks in the napkin. I don't know. What do y'all think? But as always, I appreciate you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.